Hey guys, welcome to this new video. So today we are starting a new series on Python's turtle module, and this is the introduction video of it. So we will see how to get started with the Python's turtle module. Alright, so first of all, let me give you an introduction of what is the turtle module. So it is a Python module to create graphics and shapes. So what I mean by it is, so let me show you. So right now on the screen you can see there are different shapes. We have some complex shapes like this or like this, or we can have some simple shapes like this, or we can have a simple dot like this. So you can see there are different shapes over here, right? So a turtle module is used to create these kind of shapes. So you can create complex as well as simple shapes. All right, so let's get started with a program. So I'll just create a new Python file. So intro.py. So first thing what we need to do is we need to import the turtle module. All right, so import turtle. All right, so you do not need to install it externally because the turtle module is inbuilt in Python, right? Now next thing what you need to do is you need to call a method called getScreen. So I need to say turtle dot get screen, right? So this is the first method of my list, turtle dot get screen. So when you call it, save the program, and when you run the program, right now, okay, by mistake some command was not there, it should be Python 3. So yeah, when I run it, so you can see there is a screen which is getting popped up and then it is getting disappeared. So if I just run it again, you can see a screen popped up and got disappeared. Now what is happening is turtle is used to create graphics, right? So you should have a screen on which the graphics will be created. This is called a canvas in turtle. Okay, so when you call the method getScreen, your canvas or your screen is getting generated, but the program is getting executed and it's over. It is not stopping. Okay, so what you need to make sure to stop the screen. So you need to call this method called turtle.mainLoop. Okay, so once you call this method, the screen will be displayed until and unless you close it. So if I just call it again, so right now we have a screen, we have a pointer over there, we'll understand what it is, but right now you can see your canvas is there. It is not like it got disappeared. This is because of the main loop method, and you can also see your program is right now running. If I just close this particular window, your program execution will get over. Okay, so let's start with creating some shapes. So let's create a line. Okay, so for that you need to call turtle.forward. So when you call the turtle.forward, so what I need to do is I need to do it between getScreen and main loop. Okay, so what I need to pass is the number of pixels. So let's just say 100. Okay, so I want to move forward 100 pixels. So let's just run the program, and right now we can see that we have a line, right? So what happened is we have a turtle or a pointer which draws our shapes. So the turtle or the pointer is by default at the center of your screen and pointing rightwards. Okay, so when you say move forward or forward with 100 pixels, it will move forward 100 pixels. So this is now like a line. Okay, I can also do backward to move backward. Okay, so let's just try to call the backward method. The syntax is same, you need to pass the number of pixels. So let me just comment it down and just call turtle dot backward. Okay, and let's just do it for, let's say, 200 pixels. Okay, so let me just close this one and run it as a new program. So see, now you have it the same turtle pointing in the same direction rightwards, but it has moved backward. Okay, so now this is the whole introduction of it, that how the turtle module works. Now you have this screen, you have a line which can go forward, which can go backward. Okay, so this turtle is what we call this arrow is what we call the turtle. Okay, which can move forward, which can move backward. The line is by default black color, you can change this color. So all this customization we will see in the future videos. Okay, so right now I will end this video on this part in this much only. So in the next video we will understand more methods of turtle module. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and leave your thumb or the like button. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.